church guitarists, gather here. The song Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele can be played differently. And I want to add some Soukous lines so that you feel that this song can be played differently. Assume you are the only guitarist in your church and you are supposed to play the solo and add some rhythm. Oh, you start very fast. I'm playing chords 1, 4, 5. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu ni uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Ananilinda kwa nani uzima wa milele. A short one. This is a song by the name Yesu ni Wangu. I want to teach you how to play it in the key of F. I have played that short clip in the key of F, and I want to tell you that you can play chords and again play arpeggios, but most importantly, I want you to be aware that as a soloist and as a rhythmist, you must add some hammer-ons, some pull-offs, some slides into your song to make it sweet. Now that song, I've just sung it. My voice might not be the best voice. It is not even among the middle class voices. But I want to use my voice to teach you how to sing the song Yesu ni Wangu in a Congolese manner that you are going to play it in your church next time, and you shall feel that there are some sweetness. Even your worship leader will recognize you. So this is F, B flat, C. On the neck of this guitar, we also have F, B flat, then C. F, B flat, then C. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. You can play that, but it will not give you a full exploration of the guitar. So you come in the middle part here. F, from B flat, C. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Are you getting me clearly? Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Ananilinda banani wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. You play that one in church, it will be boring. It will be boring because the chords, you are just playing chords. 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5. So that's the chord progression. 1, 4, 1, 5. So you can add arpeggios just within F. What do you want to play? Then you complete with the chord. What am I playing here? A broken chord. A broken chord of C. This is a broken chord of C. So even if I play or Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele, the same thing. Now you can just play. You can choose what to play within F. That is just a lick or a riff you can play. Sometimes you can add hammer-on and pull-offs on your guitar, like this. You can just recognize the group. Just play your rhythm around this place. This one we have C, but remember C, F, B flat. Oh, very important. You can just play it here. Yesu ni wangu, uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu. Are you getting it? This is F. This is C. This is B flat. Yesu ni wangu. You realize we have 1, 4, 1, 5. So our 1 is here, our 4 is here, and our 5 is here. So Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu wa uzima wa milele. Yana Yesu ananilinda, Bwana ni wa uzima wa milele. Yesu ni wangu. That is chords. You can also play arpeggios from here. You can then come to C. You play F. So in F you can choose what to play. Then you practice. So we come C. We come from F to B flat to C, F, to B flat. Remember, we also have, if this is F, then this is C. There is how you can just proceed with the top register to get your notes. Now, that is the rhythm. The rhythm could go like I have demonstrated. Then, you must add during your solo. During your solo, you can add some mini, the one I have added. I'm sliding. Then you can just choose in F. You relax the lead now. Then you can also choose to add from here. You can add some. How am I playing this? I'm choosing F, then I'm playing. This is an octave. I come to B flat. This one is now, the song is almost ending. So after all this, you can play anything. Remember, this is the key of F. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. If there is anything you've not understood, please, if you want me to play this song slowly, I was just demonstrating how you can have some lick. That is a lick you can play. Then you can also add. You can add licks, some solo licks on your guitar. Then please subscribe to my channel, share my videos. I will thank you very much. If you are new here, please feel comfortable. This is your home to learn guitar, and I'm going to be very happy to be with you as we progress on this journey of serving God. Please give me something that I don't know. Just comment in the comment section, and I'll be very happy to also learn from you. And if I have messed up somewhere, also correct me so that next time I be very, very keen. So thank you very much.